Alright, so welcome on YouTube. Welcome to another DBXS. Whoa, come like almost drunk. A DBS exclusive. And you know, this is where we're kind of talking to creators over a couple of weeks now, just to kind of find out what the life is like, what the journey is like. And today we have none other than, I kind of consider him a new creator to the scene. He goes by the name of Tyreek Comedy. Tyreek, what going? What going on? Talking shy, what going? Okay. What actual full out the last name? Tyreek, your first name, right?
Yeah, Tyreek Rose.
Oh, Tyreek Rose. Oh, okay.
What's up, guys? I don't know your boy Tyreek Comedy. I'm back with another public interview. Today we are popping, but actually we over. Oh, you take or you?
You take, man.
You take. Yeah, isn't it? I don't know, nobody not perfect. Cause pencil have rubber.
How long have you been doing YouTube? And why start YouTube?
Well, I do YouTube from grade 10.
Oh, grade 10, yeah. And what make you start? Like, what was the thing when you say you make a try a thing?
I normally they watch other creators.
Yeah.
And like one day my stepfather looked at me and said, Bryco, because them call me in a yard. I said,
yeah.
Bryco, you not take up a flagging. And I said, no man, that's everything you know my thing, man.
Yeah.
Until I start, I just get a phone.
So phone just drop by the screen, so.
My mother did go buy me a tablet for my birthday.
Yeah.
I'll be like, I'm gonna get that tablet and I kick off in the morning. You see me? So I actually get the tablet now. Then my little brother I start act with him like, forget him to ask him something. I have to do by my put the camera on record and I say that.
Oh, how young your little brother?
4.
Oh wow.
That's serious?
So they start off and I get the brother into the whole thing and
I'm having there. Go on with that. People that they say video them bad. Can't walk in our community in a place that them just a fine line out of the video them a tell me.
So them niggas that was what you were doing on YouTube initially?
Yeah, they look after me and my little brother.
Yeah.
We reach a school now. They are school now. I say more I feel like more do something different because you know majority of creators them normally do acting and I say more do something different, more bring a different
different type of vibe, yeah.
I mean I say no, so I go do public interview because I always see the foreign YouTubers them do it. I say I'm gonna do this. You see me? I'm gonna do the first video.
What was the topic about? Because we know sometimes you do something, so I'm not gonna topic.
Yeah. So me and my friend like we normally have a look in Spanish school, you know?
Yeah.
So we do Spanish school and I say this friend by the name of Christy, you see me? I'm looking friend and he must say I suggest the video to him and he must say we are gonna do it today. I say so why question? I did it. Then he said 10 in 10. I said that was blank man, explain to me. And he must say like him start say yo, tell your friend them say tell them footballers the football team them and name 10 player in 10 seconds. Or did that iPhone and set the timer and things so. In a take now you name 10 Barcelona player in a 10 seconds.
Iniesta. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Ibra.
Yeah. We do that video there. I find out if I do that video there, all of the video there when I do with my little brother, that just jump past them so.
Yeah, the view cause people them start to that now and just start to wonder what the other type of stuff we have on your page now.
Yeah.
And start to check it out,
That the video they jump past all like community and I say alright, come like the fans them gravitate to this and say I go stick to this then. I'm gonna do we can't do that 10 video we do at my school. 10 videos.
So you always got like support, like I mean like can you imagine your school youth, you devote your thing now and people start to say, you build a certain little hype and a certain little energy. Was everybody supportive like from your school? Or you probably have like teachers that say, yo, I don't want you to do this, or probably like certain your friends them they at the school now and say, yo, no, I don't want to do this and yo.
Well, what I say alright. From the kids them 100% support.
Good.
Everybody love Terry. Whereas when you come on to the we get a hard fight for the print.
Yeah, come again. Only imagine so this Oh wow. Alright, so you said the teachers. There's I was just like one teacher.
Well,
the principal.
Principal most the teacher them did that themselves stop because me admit the fact somebody questioned them did inappropriate because we didn't have a school uniform. Yeah.
That is what they want to say to you one time because I
which would you prefer, sex or ed?
Sex.
Why not ed?
Cause sex just better.
Because I saw your video and I'm say like, you know, you actually have the personality feet. Come here and say, you know, in a public interview, you have to have a certain personality when you go to the people. I'm going to say you have it. And I'm going to say, okay, but the only thing was that somebody questioned them the uniform. Because as I grew up, I find out, say, it's not necessarily it, but you know, the look. For like, because now you represent the school and then people are going to look on the school and be like, yeah, so that's
because
the part.
I normally go through my comment section, man. You know, the comment section, then people be like, how is school? Is everybody that interested in how is school? But the principal have a heart, like, because I not even graduate.
Oh, wow. Because of the whole sort of thing.
Yeah, whole video thing.
Jesus Christ. And that's why I mentally say like, yo, YouTube is very risky. I mentally say, I should have reached out to them because literally, you know, like, they come to say, but I said maybe the school not really mind or not have an issue, but
one devotion keep for me personally, you know.
Wow, oh Jesus Christ. You know, say every school have the one person there where have a moment where the whole entire school know about. And it look like say you have the moment there. Oh Jesus Christ. So I mean parents and the family have to rope in for the whole entire thing and
well,
stuff.
Them after when they find out and the principal reach out to me, she did have to say, me did just want to know if me I graduate because at the time when them find out I did time to pay the money for graduate. So my mother did want to know if me I graduate, she pay the money or not. So I go to the principal office, the vice principal bring me to her.
Yeah.
She talk to me and everything. I one thing though, no matter what them talk to me about, them always say me I go be great in what me do because I'm good at it.
Yeah.
You see me, but them just tell me
because them say that for go work by the books because you know, but you, at least you understand where them come from. Okay, so that's kind of important. So
ask her if me I graduate, and she said she not promise me that from they say all of my hopes jobs.
Yeah.
And I say, if me not graduate, I just say man, from the school events everything keep me good. Because I don't really consider graduation as no, not really no have to do because we never have to make the graduation like that.
I can have similar thoughts, but still, I'm more about the whole moment. So you know, you go on the whole the excitement, like, I can understand to the moment that you just kind of want to say, yo, I didn't have the little time in my life with my other friend. Yeah, but that's how you're going to, you know, a part of the journey. I'm pretty much sure, so you probably learned from it. And you know, you move on now. So you told me about that situation, about like your channel, like getting compromised, like, you know, called.
Yeah.
So this is why you have to start like a third channel.
Yeah, you have to start a third channel.
Jesus Christ. So you start one, and how much subscribers did you manage to get on the first one?
28,000.
And
in space of 1 month.
What?
In space of
Da Vinci.
Alright, Da Vinci, out of woman and man, who cheat more?
Brother, woman, brother.
Why?
Cause they know if you do it better than we, you see me?
That is crazy.
When I time for monetize now, me did monetize. But I try monetize because I didn't actually never work out.
Yeah.
Then we reach out to Razor Blade and go on it on the laptop and check it up.
Yeah.
Them say the channel disabled. You know, so when we reach long time, we don't have whole heap of subscribers like everybody else. And I say, who like going on the chain? And I say, because the people at my school, me always want to use this channel to prove everybody wrong. You see me?
When you say everybody wrong, what do you mean? People who were like doubting you and kind of like saying bad things, or what say you wanted to show them, say, yo, me actually make it?
Yeah. Most like the staff members in my school, the grade coordinator them. Because they don't say me actually make what me actually make. I mean, it's a joke by you, maybe I run joke.
Yeah.
Teacher call me classroom, but I don't really find that. I just humble.
I always just say like most of the people, if you talk to a lot of the entertainers and the celebrities, them you find out that they were kind of like them type of people there, because maybe them vibe and personality, they really fit in for sometimes like a classroom vibe. But if you take them out there and you realize, say, yo, them sometimes are the most creative set of people them. So you had that second channel, no?
After the 28,000 one,
yeah,
I go back and be like, other one. And great back in a wood. Take about 2 months, 6.4 K. And the same thing happened again. What? Because
no, you should take a mineral bath or something and fill with some lime water and something.
Because you know the AdSense, you have to have one AdSense.
Yeah.
So I'm sure to Razor Blade again and we have one last channel now, which is Tyreek TV.
Tyreek TV, so make sure you go and subscribe on YouTube right now.
You see me, I have that channel there, I go and work with.
Okay.
I reach 2 of the requirements, the 10,000 views and the 1,000 subscribers.
You get the watch time and stuff, yeah.
Watch time I wait for now. What's up guys, I don't know your boy Tyreek Comedy, I'm there back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a Q&A. Question and answers if you don't know what Q&A means. If you need to follow me run back, you tell me that the yard. So I just a record, I need to post.
What type of content do you think you want to have on this channel specifically? I know you do the public interviews. I don't know if you've done a lot of skits.
We do skits but up on Instagram.
On Instagram, okay.
Hurry up and lock it door, yeah man. Hurry up and lock it door. That's why my bills in high place. Yeah man, lock it door. Yeah man, lock it. Can't turn up the bills them. Brother man, the bills them high in the place. Stop, pull up the door and the something them. Lock back the curtain man. Tap into my ear, lock back the curtain. Yeah man, lock back the curtain. Yeah man, fine. Brother, when you pull up the calendar, you are run up the water bill. Stop, you're not paying the bills in the house. Stop. Yeah man, put it down. Don't touch it. Do not touch it.
So what are the other type of content that you want to have on your channel?
Well, on this channel, I basically switch up already because I have a public experiment or a social experiment I dropped this Sunday.
Yeah,
with me and your papi.
Oh, okay. No. We can't say it because by the time we say the video, we'll be out. Yeah. What that is about?
Well, basically, I go me dress up like a madman.
Okay.
Yeah. In a mandeville. And I go to people and I beg them.
Oh.
And then me use their papi now. Because I remember saying me in my character, me is a poor person and their papi never on him good clothes. Yeah. So we just try to get the public reaction. We go out and beg them. So that just it's like a verses to see how the public would react.
Would that treat people different? Okay, I like the okay, so
recently I raised a blade do a consuming
an eating video. But when you're there, I'm born.
Party.
Oh, party. Oh yeah. And who we never really get to watch a video about like a who win. So who win?
I mean win.
Oh, so you're the top eater. The champion eater.
My champion consumer.
Okay, champion consumer. Okay, look how the girls are going full of your name after this.
I'm find out say the fans them gravitate to that because I post yesterday and I don't normally post during the week because I set a schedule. I post on Sunday 5 o'clock.
Oh, so you have a set time where you're working because you realize them that I'm
but find out say me just like always like have my name a car. Me just like want to be relevant. So me I say because we have a group of communicating and I suggest to them say, yo, me not like the one time a week posting, you know. If you be more consistent. So I post a video in a week now, I still get 1,000 views in a day. Even though the channel long, I say, yeah, that's good. I see people gravitate to it, so I say, alright, I go start off the little contest thing.
Yeah.
I know Jamaica, I love entertainment.
I love competition, I love stuff like that, yeah.
So I go continue that public interviews, social experiments, challenges. So just look out.
Yeah, so you have like a crew of years, like a team or just like a group of friends and other creatives and who don't just say it work out best, so we just kind of link together and do the videos then.
Well,
there's a whole squad line. So when you touch you know like how some black and popcorn and walk and them have like a whole entourage. The thing look official, so the whole and walk and is a whole crew.
Well, the team, but I say, I'm glad to meet them.
Oh yeah. Because
everybody does
share the workload.
Work with them one another. All if we don't have no money and somebody say, yo, we have a video to do. Anyway, we find money from find it, but we not go that way though.
Yeah.
We just find it and get that road. We just suggest an idea. More me do a video and I just say, yo, we don't like that. And from I just say, no, like that, the video scrap. Me not do it. I just do a video and him show me and I say, no, me not like that. More me don't know something. Raise a one please. I must say, Tyreek, you know, so I say if you go.
Yeah.
Just so I like the unity between them.
Yeah. That definitely kind of good. I've been seeing the videos them with the crew. I mean, I say, boy, this kind of like cool. And I'm glad to say you as a younger creative now like understands the whole teamwork thing. It really helps out everybody. If you have 10,000, me have 10,000, everybody you know can move around and share the same set of fans them. So what would you say now is the biggest issue that you have like with YouTube? Like the issue, because we're frustrated sometimes with copyright. I don't know what your biggest issue that you have with YouTube.
Well, me not really have no issue with YouTube. Really, as I never have issue like when I monetize.
Oh yeah, kind of reach. Oh yes. Then we have to slap it up.
Wait and see what I go on. Me not really have no issue with YouTube. Normally, more like the little. Some people come on the live and disrespect. Everybody got through that, but that don't really matter me.
Yeah, one of them people that will like clap back and be like, yo, what's up this and are.
Well, me not gonna be like at one point. When me usually go on my Instagram live, because I stop go live on Instagram. I go on my Instagram live then. Because everything me do, me sit down and after me do it, me sit down and take it to consideration.
Yes.
I'm go up and I say, you know, say this is unprofessional for me. Of course, with the fans because you know, say you can't please fans. No matter what you do, you can't please.
And especially if people out there who want to work, they kind of like brand on certain things. Them say other things and them say, yo, you know, I'm not gonna link you.
Alright, because we did watch some other interview on Alex show with them.
I talk to the other creators.
Other creators, them and listen them. Remember when Tony I say,
big up Tony.
Yeah. Remember when Tony I say, clean up the content. So I stop cut bad with. I have all the curse bad with on my Instagram video. They cut it out.
Yeah, because some time
clean up the content because I not pre-power local level, international.
Yeah, that's true.
Some of the like big people for reach out to me and say, yeah.
I want everybody can watch it because the more people view your video, the more money you make.
So now I go live on YouTube. So now I go live and see the negative comment, I just find it fun.
Yeah.
I'm not paying no mind none at all.
That's exactly the way you're supposed to go with it. No focus on them. No focus on the locus. Now at this point in time now, I can only imagine. Say you're how old?
17.
Oh yeah man, you're elderly man. You're 17 at the moment. I can only imagine the stress that you're dealing with in terms of these young teenage audience that you must have. Because me know the little school girl them must not believe in you alone. I'm pretty sure so that's it. How do you manage now? Because you said yourself to be a professional, you know, young man out there and a thing. How do you deal with, I guess, the extra love? So it's not just like, oh, you know, I like your video, but no, it's just like, yeah, I kind of want to know you, I kind of want to meet you, I kind of want to link. How do you deal with the whole of that?
Well, as an entertainer, you can't be too friendly because when everybody your friend, the support what you want, you're not going to get it. If somebody normally share up on them story and say, video bad, they might reach out to you personally, they might text you, they might DM and say, you know, say video bad.
Yeah.
So me want the support, so me now go try to be friend with everybody.
So if a fan reach out and say like, yo Tyreek, I want to get the number and beer kind of thing, how do you typically respond? I realize you should act like probably I'll say
Well,
go up on our page, look sure our page, make sure she look good outside of the filter.
Me no. It may sound funny, but me prefer.
Yeah.
To give a boy my number than a girl.
Why? Because you know say the other piece of stress.
Yeah.
Because like you pretty much know say it's pretty much like work. And then if you're a girl, you know say it's going to be like...
I'm telling you, we communicate with girl, but only work-wise.
Yeah.
Like if you know say, if you can call a girl and say, yo, come act that part in one video for me. You're
kind of well smarter, you're actually kind of well smarter for your age, because you're kind of freak. I mean, I always just say people, like if a girl said a thing, you will get up in some problem and you're not really sure.
Alright, you used to them to me,
man. You say you used to?
Yeah.
You know what that means? You know what that means? You see the way you have to answer it? Is either say you have somebody in your life right now, say you have one girl in your life right now, you have to say, yo, you have a girl in your life right now, or you know, you kind of, you know the strips, you know the strips, and that's all I say. Not even that look there, but clearly you will mature, understand road. I know for angle yourself, like you must get media training before. You get media training, I know how for kind of.
But there are no like experience, like Razor them talk to me.
Yeah.
Nature them say.
Yeah.
Them talk to me.
Alright, so at this point in time now, I'm just going to say some things and want to say the first thing that come to your mind, right? Alright?
Yeah, man.
Let's play like a game. Ready? Kanye. First thing that come to your mind, don't even think. Kanye West.
Cricket.
Razor Blade.
Talented.
Jada Kingdom.
Shape good.
Porsche.
Next.
Schoolwork.
Hard.
Sex.
It's a good thing, you know?
And YouTube.
My heart, I love you too.
Okay. Alright, that's it, Tyreek. Thanks for the conversation. At this point in time, you know the strips. You have to just looking at the camera right now and tell the people them say why them not for each and you know why them must just like try to fulfill whatever goal and dream of them have. Just like you.
Well, I believe you say anything you put your mind to, you can get it.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Because me take myself as an example, you know. I don't feel like everybody channel could have disabled at 28,000 subscribers. Because I know people with them on YouTube for years.
Yeah.
I know they nowhere near this stuff.
True.
And for my channel get mashed up at 28,000 subscribers and I start again and I like say people now tell me say yo that don't make no sense. Mother, girl,
Yeah.
I say yo stop, I'm gonna do something else. But you know more I believe in what me I do. You just continue.
I'm persistent.
I'm persistent.
Oh.
And for young creators then.
Yeah, because we had chat earlier on a while ago, and want you to talk about it.
Yeah.
The whole idea so when the young creators reach out and sometimes them not necessarily reach out with the best of energy.
Yeah.
Them just like, yo, do this, film me up, post me, give me a shout out. They even say please ask or not, they was like, yo, do this. Like talk to them in terms of how them treat.
I understand for them situation now because everybody will blow up and they you know for them.
True. And they are on it and I try.
One
Yeah.
time. So them have to just believe in themselves. Not watch what other man do or not watch other man numbers. Believe in what them do and put in hard work. And if you don't love it, it don't make sense to do it. I tell you raw.
Yeah.
If you don't love it, don't do it. Because whole heap of fight, whole heap of struggles, whole heap of sacrifice you have to make to get to your one.
Alright, that is it. We can end the interview on a better note. That is it for Tyreek Comedy. Make sure you say go and follow him. It's what? Tyreek TV?
YouTube,
Tyreek
TV,
and on Instagram.
Tyreek_comedy.
Okay, and suppose in the future if somebody want to like reach out to you for like do some promo or something, them can just contact you on your Instagram or where?
Just from Instagram.
Okay, and
you can DM me.
okay, as simple as that. Alright, that's it people. You never know who I might be talking to next. Let me know down below who you'd like me to have a little chit chat with. That is it for DBS exclusive with Tyreek Comedy. Peace out.